Hello and welcome to Marine Crescent. You're about to get lucky. You want to find out why? Come on in. I'm Felicia from PropNext, and behind me is a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom HDB flat spanning 1,313 square feet and is available for sale right now in this prime Marine Parade neighborhood. As you walk into the spacious living room, you can't help but notice how bright and breezy the house is. The highlight of this house is the breathtaking sea view from every single room. Makes you want to stay at home all day long. What I particularly like about this good-sized kitchen is that it has plenty of storage space and it is well ventilated with the sea breeze flowing in day and night. Doing dishes and cooking will never be the same again. This massive master bedroom is also thoughtfully designed to maximize every square foot of the house with a walk-in wardrobe and a vanity area outside of the bathroom. Both common bedrooms have a squarish layout which can fit 2 single beds or a queen size comfortably, perfect whether you're a big or a growing family. Where is this, you ask? Just 7 minutes walking distance from the future Marine Terrace MRT station, 29 Marine Crescent is surrounded by reputable schools in the east like Tao-Nan, CHIJ Katong, Ngee Primary and many more. If you're already excited to be the next proud owner of this gorgeous home in the east, call me now to book your exclusive appointment.